Rank Math Seo Plugin Tutorial 2020. So in this video, I'm going to explain you how you could set up Rank Math to your WordPress website, how you could optimize your blog post and get traffic to your blog post. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews and how to create an online business. So please consider subscribing. So let's get back into it. So currently I'm using Bluehost, one of the best web hosting for WordPress. It has a free SSL and domain and 70% discount just for you guys. The reason I'm talking about web hosting is if you want to rank higher on Google, you need a faster web hosting, and I've tried all of them, and Bluehost is one of the best web hosting, and it's very simple and easy to use. So you can create a WordPress website in five seconds. It's very easy. Just you have to log in and that's it, and just create a website, but I'm not going to explain you that. You could try it on your own. So if I want to go to my website, so let's say this one, so I just have to click over here and click on WordPress. So I don't even have to remember password. Okay, so to install Rank Math Seo, all you have to do is just click on Rank Math and just click enter. So here it is. So where did it go? Yeah, so all you have to do is to install this plugin, just go on plugins, add new, click over here and press install now. And guys, at any time of the video you feel like skipping it, so below are the timestamps, so you could just go down, check over there and skip, because it's going to be a really long video. So just click install and then activate. And also, if you watch the video till the end, I have something special for you, so stay tuned. So yeah, so once you click on install, you can just activate Rank Math, but just for demo purposes I'm just gonna skip now, but just activate Rank Math. Once this is done, you can click on start wizard. So if you're using Yoast SEO, you can just start import, and so that's it. I was using Yoast SEO. If you're not using Yoast SEO, it will just go on the next pointer. So that's it, just click on continue. So for me, it's a personal blog. You need to upload a logo for Google, and that's it, and a default social sharing image. So basically, if your post does not have an image, it will share this image. So I would suggest just upload a logo over here with a bigger dimensions, and just save and continue. And then you need to verify your website with Google, and it's very easy. Just click on authorize, or just click on get authorization code. You need to have an Gmail ID, so I have a Gmail ID. Just click on allow, and that's it. Just copy this thing, close it, paste it and authorize. And guys, congratulations, this is how you authorize it, and then save and continue. And then switch on the sitemap and leave this as it is, save and continue, and leave this as it is, save and continue, and we are ready. So that's it, and return to the dashboard. So now congratulations, you have set up your Rank Math SEO plugin, and I would suggest to activate this 404 monitor, and the next one is redirection. So the reason we are doing this is, so if there's a 404 error, so basically if someone types, so I can show you a live example. So right now we are over here. I'll click on dashboard again. So as you could see, there is an option for 404 and redirection. So this is my 404 monitor. So let's go. This is my website right now. So this is a makeup website. It's a demo website. So let's say someone tries to search this thing on your website, okay, and it's a wrong link, or they're trying to put the wrong address. So if I come on 404 monitor and if I refresh this, so you could see someone has typed this, but then he got an error. So that's a 404 error. So you could redirect it. And for redirection, so basically let's say you delete a page or you change the URL, so you could redirect it to a new page. So let's say you want to redirect this, click on redirect, and you can redirect this to the home page. So someone, if he types this thing the next time, it would get redirected to my home page. So that's it. So it's a permanent redirect. You could do a temporary, but I'm doing a permanent one. So that's it. So if someone types this again, typing this again, it will get redirected to the home page, as you could see. So now once this is done, so these are just the basics which you need to understand. Now I would show you how to write a post. And writing a post is the most important, because you want to rank on Google and then get free traffic where you can start generating sales from that. So guys, it's very easy. You don't have to make it really complicated. Okay, writing a blog is really easy. I see people making it really complicated, and I'm going to explain you in a short format as well. So let's open my Paint. Okay, so that's it. So this is a blog right now. Okay, I'm just going to give you a simple blog structure. Okay, so if you want to generate sales, you want to get free traffic, I'm going to show you something. Okay, so this would be your head. This is a much bigger. Okay, so this would be in your writing a blog post is easy. This would be your headline. Okay, and your, so this would contain your keyword. Okay, that's it. Now this would be your subtitle. This would be your subtitle. Okay, and there would be some text written over here. So this would be some text written over here, this would be some text written over here, this would be some text written over here, and there would be an image over here, image over here. That's it, guys. You don't have to make it complicated. And this one would be your email opt-in. So if I go back to my website, so there's something like this should come over here as well. So there should be one email opt-in over here. There should be a second quiz or some, again, and free PDF or free ebook, and this would be your ads. Okay, this would be your ads, this would be your email opt-in. I don't know how to draw it, but trying to draw a email logo. That's it, email opt-in. And then once you write a blog, there should be things called outlink. So let's go. So there should be things called outlink and internal link. Sorry for the spelling. So guys, outlink means you're tagging to Wikipedia page, wiki page, or something very big websites, and internal link would be in your website, okay, this is just a small scenario. So I'm going to show you how to write a blog post. So let's say we take this one. So I've already written this blog post. So I'll do one thing. I'll just write a new blog post. Okay, so I'm going to use this free tool called Uber Suggest. Okay, so basically it's a free keyword research tool, just like Google Keyword Planner, but I feel this one's much better, because now I think so Google Keyword Planner, they made it much more complicated, and now you need to run advertisements to get, you need to have a paid version so you could just see exact searches. So let's say we search this keyword called make money blogging and just search over here. So once it gets searched, so as you could see, it has around 15,000 monthly searches. SEO difficulty is 37, so make sure it's below 40, and it's a really good keyword. So all I have to do is we just copy this thing, come back on new post, paste it over here. In the Rank Math SEO 2020, there was this update where you can't see Rank Math below, you can see on the top right. So Rank Math, put your focus keyword, save draft. Okay, then open it again, go on Google, just save, put this thing, and get ideas from there. Whatever is working on, whatever are on the top pages of Google, you need to write something just like that. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. Whatever is working, just do that. So how to make money? So I can say top 10 ways to make money on online or with blogging. So I could say top 10 ways to make money blogging. Okay, edit snippet, something, copy from here. Now rephrase it, never copy and paste from Google, just rephrase something like this. I'm just showing you, I'm not going to rephrase it, but then I'm just giving you an idea. Rephrase it something like this. And also a really important thing, this is like my little secret. So right now, as you know, Google loves rich snippet. So what is rich snippet? So basically, as you could see, 1 2 3 4 over here, and you can't see on other websites. So these are called rich snippets. So it's very easy to do. Come back over here. So this is the blog post. So I've installed this Chrome extension called SEO Meta in one click. Okay, so just click on headers. So as you could see, monetize with CPC, sell private ads, include affiliate links, sell digital products. So you could see sell private ads, same thing over here, sell private ads. Okay, so basically this is how you need to write a blog post. So as I told you before, so this is the heading H, then this is H2 tag, H2 tag, H2 tag. So just for an example, if I go back to my website again, okay, this is my blog post. It's a demo sample blog post. If I click on SEO headers, so as you could see, make sure your primer is compliment, make crow's feet. So top 20 best makeup tips for women over 50, and these are the points. So see, so also make sure, even when you check this one, headers, so you see H2 tag, monetize with CPC, sell private ads, include affiliate links, sell digital products, use content marketing. So make sure you use this. So this is how you need to write. So let's say you write, I'm just copying this thing just to show you for example. Okay, just copy this, paste it over here again, save draft. You need to rephrase it, write fresh content, don't copy paste it. Google will backlash you if you just copy paste. This is just for educational purposes. I'm just showing it to you how you could write a blog post and start ranking. Click over here again, headers, as you could see monetize with CPC, sell private ads. So this is the image, H2 tag, H2 tag, H2 tag. Okay, and if you want to start generating money as well, you see all these social sharing plugins. If someone really likes it, they could share it, and on the right there should be a subscription box where someone can put their email ID. So I can just show it to you. It's very easy to add. I've created a tutorial as well, so I'm going to show it to you in the end of the video. So all you have to do is new opt-in, going to be on my widget. And then just going to do a sample, next design, going to choose this template, okay, or this one looks really cool. Next, customize, just going to create it. Okay, add account or Weber, Yavar Khan, Yaima Beauty, save and exit. Come on appearance, come on widgets, come on bloom, main sidebar, use the opt-in, save, come back, refresh. So as you could see, this opt-in looks really good. It's mobile responsive as well. As you could see, someone really likes your blog post, they could put their email, and then they have already subscribed. So now you could send them future blogs, and also you could start selling them PDFs or whatever you're related to your business. So it's very easy, guys, and I don't want to explain you much in detail because guys, I have created a free crash course on how to build your brand, blogging, SEO, social media. So where I exactly tell you all these steps, and in fact much more, how you could go viral, how you could optimize your blog post to get much more traffic and start generating traffic and sale, and how to turn your visitors into email subscribers. So it's a course, just go and check it out. The link is down below, and I think so it's only $7. Okay, so it's just, the pricing is $100, but just for right now, because I'm starting the first batch, so this is just a new course, so $7. And I would really love it, because I'm going to, you can enroll it right now, and then I could give you my secrets and just simple things which you could go viral. So one of the example was using Uber Suggest, okay, getting the SEO difficulty less than 40, finding whatever is on Google, okay, tweaking. You don't have to reinvent, just tweak it, write down something like this, post it, and then there are so many other ways you could go viral, get more traffic. So for that, just join this course. The course is down below, the link is down below. Go and check it out if you like it, and I hope if you really like the video, just click on the subscribe button and the like button, and I would be posting more videos just like this. Thank you.